Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious Guyanese tennis roll recipe. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have some all-purpose flour, evaporated milk, vanilla, melted butter, salt, sugar, orange zest, and some yeast. So basically I added the salt and sugar to the warm milk, mixed that in a little bit, and then I came in with my yeast. I'm using fast rise yeast so it doesn't have to proof first. Then I added my melted butter, the vanilla, and orange zest. Mix that well to combine, and then you want to add the wet ingredients to the flour. Mix that in until a super soft dough is formed. Once the dough is formed, I oil my hands just to prevent the dough from sticking, and I went in and kneaded it around a little bit for about 2 minutes until it came together perfectly. Once it comes together, I covered it, place it in a warm place to rise until it doubles in size. Once the dough doubles in size, you want to just release the air from inside of the dough. Now this dough took a little while to rise because of the evaporated milk that we used, but that's completely normal. Now you want to pinch off equal pieces. I got about 10 from this amount of dough, but you can surely do it smaller and get more if you like. You want to just form them into some smooth dough balls and carry on with this same step until you're all done. Once done, you want to cover and place them into a warm place to rise again for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you want to place it into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once 25 minutes was up, this is what it was looking like. Absolutely amazing. What I like to do is go in with some melted butter, brush over the top, and allow it to cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes before I show you guys what they look like on the inside. And now for the good part. These were so delicious. They were soft, moist, but solid like the original Guyanese tennis rolls. I remember these from back in the day. We used to go to Pearl's Bakery because they had the nice solid tennis rolls, not like Bakewell. They had the light ones. We used to like the solid, delicious tennis rolls, and we used to eat them with cheese, and they were absolutely amazing. I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.